Price is slowing down really. Not great. Fair Value Gap's not picking up this 5 minute.
ES has a really nice 1 hour high. It's probably 1 4 hour high, just above 50.
Yeah. Where's Tanner and shit? Mark out 50% of this 1 hour. If we trade into it. 100 contracts at 250.
Nice. That 1 and 4 hour high on ES, it's actually 750.5. So we haven't taken it yet. We really should. Awesome, James.
Oh, nice, James. Good job. Yeah, if anyone's trading with Project X, so Top Step, Blue Nox, I don't think anyone here is, to be fair. Yeah, I think everyone here is Tradeovate right now. Let me just T Tanner, no, Harvard.
I leave those sides behind, but I'd rather sweep them.
All of these places. Oh god. It had like it's cut out. So Project X was affected by it as well. Somewhere else called Intercom. And they're saying, well, Alpha is saying we recommend refraining from trading on Project X until they have stabilized their platform. Original complications were caused by AWS issues, which affected thousands of companies today, not just trading platforms. They are aware of the issues and fixing it. But bro, like Roblox and shit was all down. Like like Snapchat. Have you realized Snapchat's like a bit buggy? Yeah, it's because of this. It's because of this AWS shit.
Kind of interested in short, but it really sucks that we left those highs. I'm gonna wait for something cleaner.
Yeah, I'd rather something cleaner. We're gonna trade down into this end dog as
Double
well.
top in shape. Oh man, 30 seconds inverse.
Got 1 to 4 minute fair value gap, so the 1, 2, and 3. Well, the 2 and 3 look like they're gonna inverse.
Back to the 5-minute on the S.
Got a bullish SMT now from ES. Did 2 and 3 inverse? No. 2 and 3 respected. ES is trading into the 5. Still in this 15-minute. Created a 5-minute rejection block that we're trading away from right now, but doesn't look like it's gonna hold.
ES did sweep that 1 and 4 hour high.
Nice, James. Dustin loves TPT. 2-minute closes
Yes,
now.
I do.
4-minute, currently respecting the 4-minute. And obviously the 3-minute closes in a couple, well, next couple candles. But the 1 and the 2 inverse here. Do I want to take it? Not really, but uncorrelated as well. ES has come up, it's swept as high now. Oh. I'm not interested in shorts right now.
Because of why?
Because of what?
Why did you say?
Because of ES. Look at ES, we're completely uncorrelated. We got multiple time frame, 4 minutes open, 3 minutes not closed yet. 2-minute did inverse. The 1 minute still not inverse. The thing that I do like about shorts here is it actually aligns with the rejection block up here. So that is why I do also like shorts, but it's just not clean enough. And then ES is just uncorrelated. So did we lose the SMT by ES sweeping that high? Oh yeah, we might have an SMT. So we don't even have a bearish SMT now. If you're in shorts, you want to see it work, obviously. Smash through these equal lows. Go break even with the end dog. Is there a new real-time data package I need to buy? My charts aren't updated. I don't know. What, are you not logged in with a prop firm? Bro, I can't lie. Like, I haven't. It cancelled my real-time data last month, and then it just hasn't charged me, bro. I've had real-time data this whole time. Nice woodsy. Yeah, James. Got the trend line here as well, so you might want to trade up to this. Is anyone still in shorts? No, but people took this short here, Marcus. We're in this 15-minute order block now as well. Not great. I wish we had a 1 minute here. Is there not a 30-second long anywhere?
No. Only if you use full gaps,
I see.
which, yeah, so actually technically everything to the left is inverse. For longs. Which is like one old gap.
133 point fucking 5 minute. Yeah, I added a few convictions. I added order block, strong equal highs / equal lows. And then respecting like either, like 50% of a gap, the outside of a gap, or like it fills the gap. Like, where was it? There was a 1 minute somewhere. I'm sure there was. Like you see here. Okay, well, I don't know what the fuck I've just done there. Okay, I'm at the stock price of 1,500,000,000. So like you see this here, it didn't quite do it, but like let's say we respected this perfectly, so it's filled all of the liquidity within the fair value gap here. That's a conviction that I'll use, and then like order flow is order flow aggressive. So do we have a strong amount of buyers or sellers in the footprint? Okay, I can just do this. Orders still just a few more orders being placed at 250.
Do you think that's the draw?
Yeah, for now I think. But I don't know. It could be bringing us up to 50% of the 1 hour, and then we could reverse from here possibly. You use an indicator to check the order flow. So look, there's two things. So you can have TradingView Premium, and if you got TradingView Premium, then you can look at the footprint on TradingView. But you can also use Tradeovate. Hey, let's see. Market Zero. It's an indicator. Tradeovate footprint order flow. Yeah, this guy, and he has like. You just got to search his indicator on Tradeovate, and then it will give you the order flow, the footprint. But it's much better on the TradingView one. Much better on TradingView. So click the candle next to indicators where it says candles. Click volume footprint, and I'm a brokey. I do need to buy it. But I've got loads of shit on. I've got loads of. Don't worry about it. So okay, look. So on the right side of the chart. So on the right side of the candle. So the candle would be like this, right? What you can see, and there's numbers on the right side and numbers on the left. The numbers on the left is sellers. The numbers on the right is buyers. So if it's like 200, so you're always like this. You're comparing the numbers like this always. So if there's buy contracts here, you're looking at the one below it to the left to see how sellers responded to this buy contract. Yeah, you just need to zoom in. Zoom in like how I am. Shame we didn't have a 1 minute, bro. Like, moved 120 points. Yeah, exactly like that. So you can see the numbers on the right hand side. So look at the most recent candle. You can see the numbers on the right hand side. Those are buys, right? And then on the left hand side, those are sells. And then where there's white numbers, that's where like the most amount of contracts are traded on the candle. How do you use it as a conviction? Because so like let's say I don't know, we had a 1 minute here. You could look at order flow and you can see there could be like loads of buy contracts within this candle, which shows you that there is a lot of buyers in the market. So it will help you feel more confident within your trade going to the buy side. I'll send you a link. I've got loads of stuff about order flow. And I'll give you it. Just go over it. There's loads of shit to look at with order flow. And there's another video. I'll send you a video here now. Bro, the thing is, we don't even have red folder because the government shut down. So because the government's currently shut down, if you look at the red folder on Friday, Where is it? USD. Oh, it doesn't even say tentative. Maybe it will change throughout the week. But the red folder keeps saying tentative because the government is shut down. So we haven't had any red folder like the entire last week and the week before. I think the shutdown is likely to end sometimes this week. Oh, okay, so the shutdown is looking like it's going to end this week.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's what it just said on Financial Juice. Well, I mean, it's hard to say, Jay, because it did. The price was a little bit shitty, but then obviously where we had the huge dump, the ranges and the volume was just nuts. So it was like we had It was like we had NFP every day. Like consistently, NFP throughout the session. The ranges were huge. Like you'd have a trade here that would inverse here, and this would be like, I don't know, 45 points. Whereas this is 17 points now. This would be like 45 points. It was nuts. Yeah, and there's like what is it? Stock market fear factor. It's like very it's like very it's like it was at extreme fear. I guess it's gone up. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it was at extreme fear. Oh no.
The fix did jump quite a bit, but it was at like all-time lows.
Yeah, this year's been fucking horrendous for trading. But at least we've got a way that when PA is bad, we can fucking stay out of bad trades and catch bangers. So we've got a 2 minute below that we tapped into. I'm not going to inverse it. We've got a 2 minute order block, 5 minute as well. So be pretty weird to come down from here. But ES is lagging. ES is looking to come down. Yeah, literally, James. The thing is, people would have got cooked on shorts here because they didn't go break even with the end dog. To be fair, they could have. You couldn't have actually even gone off of ES. $30-second long here. Simo. How we doing, buddy? Yeah, but you couldn't have really gone off. You could have, but like at the same time, like ES didn't even inverse the 1 minute. So if you're using ES to then go break even, you should be using ES to inverse. Is there a 30-second here, Dustin?
Yes.
It depends, Jay. Like ES has got a 1 to 3 minute and a 4 minute. Fuck me. So I won't really go in with this 30-second. I need to just open trade of it.
Inverse ES is still respected.
Okay, so NQ's inverse at 30 seconds.
Not as nice of price action as last week.
Yeah, not at all, bro. Yes, tapped into a 30-second above. Fixing the edge of it perfectly. Six, 7, 5, 2. I know, Woodsy, but we had such fire PA last week. Kind of hoping it was just going to continue. Oh my god, ChatGPT will soon be able to engage in erotic interactions starting in December. Okay, we just tapped into 50% of the 1 hour. Contract is still sitting there. Yeah, but it's just not the like cleanest. Oh, bro.
Yeah, Lopian, I'm traveling. I'm at my friend's place in St. Louis.
Is my trade of it gonna crash?
Yo, what's up, Sam?
We filled 125 contracts at 234. Okay, we just filled these contracts Bro, my Trader is bugging. Yeah, we just filled 138 contracts at 250.
Yeah, for real. So no, it's been. I mean, yeah, I took an L on shorts that Jack said I shouldn't have taken, or I took them. So I
Right.
should have listened. But it was the setup, you know. So
Could have gone break
took
even at the end, dog, though. Like,
yeah, you know, I could have, and you know, the shitty is I had the end dogs on. That end dog was on my charts, and not there anymore.
you mean ones at 9:45? Yeah, we were inside multiple table to get something like price. Well, we live and we learn. Yeah, exactly. Oh, it's okay. Never mind. Fuck it. You know what I mean? Fuck it. On to the next. You can trade yourself um back into profits.
Solid.
What the helly? What the heliante?
No, no, no. There's no durable here.
This side price. That's the most flower boy. Real cool Jack Daddy. I think that's more than oh boy. Okay, so we just absorbed 27 coon tracks. Bro, trading view is the delta footprint is so clean. 90 like we've got loads of contracts within this candle here. Trading makes watching paint dry on the wall fun. Yeah, facts. So like this is a complete fake out right now. Unless these contracts build up. But to me, for the amount of contracts we have in here, this candle is too big. But we've got a lot of negative delta. Put an equal lows. CSM. Woodsy, this is what you like, isn't it? Oh, good boy. Good boy. But she's not ready yet.
You know, what we're looking for is kind of a double top. And IFBG breaking the trend.
Bro, Tom, Sweden would love to deport you based off your fucking diet. Get that fucker out of here. Bro, you literally eat the craziest shit. It's not a pussy and Zim. Literally, bro. Tom's diet is crazy. There was a photo he put in somewhere the other day and it just looked fucking nuts. It was like macaroni and Frankfurt sausage. Yeah, probably what meant JM. Right, Woodsy, you're banned. She was fucking ready. We got a 3 minute below. M-shaped trend line break.
No, respected at 30 seconds to the left.
Damn, we tapped into the 2.
I was really looking for a close around 228.
Guys, I'm not shorting. I'm just checking what it's looking like. Okay. Okay, so that 4 minute respected to the tick. Respected. Yeah. Respected that 2 minute. If I went short here, James, what am I targeting? I'll be honest, I'd probably. I don't know. I'd probably look at just targeting the end dog. Because if we're going to dump down, we're going to retest this end dog most probably. But even if we don't, it just depends. So, like, let's say this is our entry here. It's just whatever I'd be happy with at this point. because there's nothing really obvious. Do we have 5 minute we can trade into? Nah, other than this 5 minute down here, which is just like pretty much in line with the end dog. So I'd probably just target that. But I'd be happy to close out at these points here. You just need the NQ to generate like a little bit more wicks. Wicks. It's 2 minutes got 25 seconds. I know the 4 minute didn't inverse, right? But
I think the 15 minutes a good target.
put in equal highs, that's a bit awkward. I just don't really feel like being wrecked. And I don't have a lot of confidence in this trade. We got a 3 minute. Yeah, we got the 4 minute below on ES. Oh, we just tapped into this new 4 minute. Good comms, Simo. Good comms. Didn't quite tap the 50% point. I don't know. These equal highs could push us down though. Who knows? I'm just gonna. Oh fuck me! I'm gonna go piss quick.
Yeah, if you didn't, yeah, I don't think there was anything worth jumping on. I hope the 10-15.5 inverse. We have that far left in depth to the left, and if that holds, and we disrespected already, but we re-inversed. Maybe that brings us down, takes out more risk from my liquidity. But lots of them, not such a play so far today. The context for all is getting better.
It's the cyclist. How many go are you getting to me, boy? 10-14 fair value up to go long. I don't know. Just depends on what type of market structure we get here. Got equal lows in the 3 minute there. Price action is boring as fuck, here. What's wrong? Where's the cock? Sam, he's just absolutely roasted you. I would not have that. I personally would not have that. I just sold it. I was the buyer. Eco high's gone. This is just a 1 minute, but like kind of targeting the abyss. This line fills the four. Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, oh, this end dog, yeah.
287.
If I was to take long, I'd go on a bit more of a reversal play. But like, I'm not confident. 215. I'm actually, I wouldn't be mad about that. ES didn't inverse. Problem is though, where we have so many contracts in this area here, this 250 point where we filled so many contracts, like we kind of want a candle close above this level. Because look how we continuously respected this level. We couldn't break above this level. Yes, still didn't inverse. ES is about to sweep this external liquidity though. Could try it on a more risky one. Be happy to lose. Like not care if you lose. More of a risky play. And target the end dog, but I mean we've nearly filled the entire 4 hour. Yeah, but we've just wicked all of that. Filled the entire 4 hours, so we'd really just like to see us pump up towards this end dog, to be fair. Is anyone in long?
Lately, yeah.
Nice.
I took it when NQ inversed. Wait for ES. Actually, I mean, yeah, I was trading off the 30-second. Again, it's
Nice. Well, let's just.
yes.
The thing is, boys, I'll be honest. You can look at going break even if you want, or if you want to manage the trade a little bit differently, you can. Because we might want to come back down and test this 250 level and rebalance this area here and then react out of it and head straight up. So you could either hold your trade and not go break even yet and take more of a risk.
We might even go to the top of the 15-minute, which is 1 hour. Let's see.
Nah, 1 hour is 15
No.
minutes, bit bigger.
Still lower.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the top of the 1 hour might. Geez, at that point, are we going all time highs?
Bro, we're not far, are we? 120 points. Like, I would actually do this as a trade. I'm not even capping. But this is going. She's running. She's a runner. She's a check star. GG's
We're
to
gonna let it run.
Oh, Jay, fuck it. You're bound to do errors from having a long time off. When I get time. Ooh, 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 ooh. No, I'm not. I'm logged in on Tradeovate. You'd see my position.
Nine seven is all rally.
It does, doesn't
The
it?
mix is falling off. It's all good news.
Bro, if this 15-minute could come up, wick up, give us a wick here, and have a rejection block lined up with the end dog, I'll take that. You really want to see it just fucking fly out of this fair value gap here. Tick tock on the clock. Yeah, fuck it. Fuck it, James. I could have made a lot more last week doing the same shit. Just letting it run a little bit.
15-minute candle is about to close.
Yeah, Sam, I wasn't a huge fan of it. But, I mean, it worked nicely. Didn't even rebalance this level here, which is even better. Yeah, that's literally what I'm trying to do, Sam, as well. Because I fucked myself over doing a couple bottom ticks and top ticks last week. I'd have lost like 400, and then I'd end up having to take an inversion to make all my money back. ES has tapped that 1 minute. You go run away, baby.
We get too excited about all-time highs.
No, I think it's possible. Tap the end dog. So I assume that's TP for Woodsy or whatever.
Let me take a look, James.
Wicks 50% of the end dog. Damn.
James, I entered at 10:22 now.
I'll nut in my pants if we get this.
Alright, I'm gonna let this run for about my tea. I'll be back.
Alright, buddy. Oh! I forgot about instant executions. I even had it. Look.
What did you do? You accidentally.
I accidentally clicked sell to bring up the thing.
Oh shit.
Oh, is it not going to work? I have the reminder on my phone. Instant executions, remember. No, it's a W. You caught the win. It's a W, kid. I'd be super happy to take this. For smaller ranges, only $365 to there. I don't know if I'll get the feel though. I'm gonna lick your ass tonight. I'm not gonna get this entry.
You might.
Let's see if I lose on this. Little Zim pit stop, yeah. Perk it up. James, about fucking 2 weeks ago. Still 30 milligrams, Sam. Let me put in a fresh one. Lock the fuck in. Bro, the win rate is literally like, I don't know, literally about 40%. But the RR is crazy. Like, you can easily catch a move down like that. Exactly. But I don't know, I'm kind of second guessing this position because we've also traded into the 5 minute below. So it's like, this trade could be old news now. But I'm going to risk $100. I don't care if it doesn't hit. We have an end dog that we can trade into because we've swept all of this liquidity to the left on the 5. We leave a wick in. We've also got an end dog that we respected, so we can tap into this rejection block and then tap into the end dog and bring us straight back down. But it's like, I think it is kind of just probably not going to work out. What highs? All-time highs? Yeah, we probably are going to come to all-time highs today. Wouldn't surprise me. But it's like, really and truly, this is what you needed to have with the rejection block here. From the end dog. Yeah, literally, James. See you tomorrow, brother.
Nice one, James.
What's a YM? What, on a gold trade? Boys, I can't lie. I'm expecting a fucking crazy wick, crazy candle. I don't know, Woody. Maybe 7.5K. I think, but that might be 100K. You know that crazy candle I was talking about? This is what I was talking about. But yeah, Woody, I think 100K is 7.5K profit. Because if, or maybe that's 150K. I don't know, because 300K is what? 15K profit now? Let's have a look. 150K. I won't even see. What is Apex 150K profit target? 9K, yeah. 150K account profit target is 9K, which must be achieved yeah. Trailing threshold is 5K.
Well, at that point, you may as well do take profit finder.
Yeah, literally.
Have an end of day trailing threshold during your eval.
You got to make triple
4,500.
triple the profit amount for just an extra 2.5K DD. I'd honestly just wait. If anyone's considering purchasing Apex accounts, I'll just wait because they told me that they're releasing the direct to funded account. So, however much that'll be and when, I have no idea.
It'll be expensive.
Oh, you got a free account. Have you thought about 100K? 100K is a nice. I got 150k best ones, I think. Yeah. 300k is a bit retarded. I don't even know what the profit target is on 300k anymore. Pretty high though. How much is it, Dustin?
20,000.
Yeah, 20,000.
Profit target.
And what's the drawdown? 6.5 or 7.5k?
7.5.
Yeah, it's crazy.
I believe I was within $2,500 of having 2,300 now.
Yeah. Oh wait. Okay, so we're about to trade into the daily trend line. Pretty close to it.
I'm bummed. I got shook out of my longs and took profits.
Oh fuck it, bro. Win's a win. I took a little $150 loss, including the accidental sell.
I agree. Win's a win. I wanted the profits more than I wanted to hold it back to break even.
I mean, lunchtime we could. We'll either come straight to, well, not straight to all-time highs. We might just chop upwards. But we could get a cheeky little reversal.
Not expecting any. I don't know. Could be wrong. I'm not sure we'll get a deep retracement today. It's really rolled up.
Yeah.
My truck sellers all day long. These short, small little retracements.
It's a shame that Endog didn't play its part. What's this? Be nice if it gives us this 1 minute. I don't want to just short anything, but like if we do reject off of the daily trend line, shorts could look nice. Where does it need to wick? I need some water. Hello? You in? Dustin's got his homeboy in the back. Sell him a course, sell him a course. Okay, so we did actually tap the daily trend line. ES won't give us an inversion though, I think Q does. About to create a 5-minute below. Bro, this chair will just go down by itself. I have no idea why. Oh, Dustin, you're muted, by the way.
I know, man. I'm talking to my buddy.
Oh, okay. She gonna run away when it gets home. Damn, we have seriously pumped. Really not opposed to this short right now. No, not really, Marcus. It needs to sweep liquidity. Like we can find one. So then get a fill. This one here. So nearly got the fill on this here. So it swept all of this liquidity to the left. Nearly got the fill, but not quite. Unless there is an entry within this rejection block, I don't know. It's good, like let's say what's good is, let's say there's like consolidation, and you get one wick that's like takes all of the consolidation liquidity. Then you have 50% here. Then you'd have your entry here, and then you'd target like this.
We're about to tap the. We just tapped the very top of the 15-minute gap.
Yeah,
Just for
perfectly.
context. The market's not giving us much context right now. It's
Pretty tough.
yes, it might be exactly 50%. It doesn't matter. You didn't respect it.
Super close to all-time highs, boys.
Damn, dude. And I put my take profit at all-time highs. I should have held that long.
That's okay.
Would have been sweet. I'll get them tomorrow.
Got this 5-minute. So, boys, if we respected this 5 right now, it'd actually be better. Because then the 15 minutes going to inverse in 5 minutes, so it'll inverse with the 5. That could give us an entry to all-time highs.
Well, guys, I'm not going to hang out on the charts past the AM session today.
Okay. I'll probably do it for 15 minutes.
I don't think I'm going to see a trade that I want to take. I don't want to, yeah.
Checked it out of this 1 minute. So the 5 and 15 inverse together here. So does the 1 hour. Triple equalize. We need to see these get swept. Okay, we set these triple equalize. 1 minute inverse to the downside. Got a 2 minute here. Got pre-market volume. Oh, Trump speaking.
Oh, great.
President Trump to meet with Australian PM. bit humid in this house.
We see a limousine candle in here.
Possibly. So this 15-minute might inverse, but the 5's not gonna unless we pump. Get a nice little well candle.
Minute, maybe inverses. Looks like we're trying to respect it. We're hanging out right at the top. Top is 316. No 15-minute inverse.
$15-minute respected, the 5-minute respected, inverse the hourly, inverse the hourly. Also in the 1 hour order block. 2-minute short may not be bad. Where's my order flow now? What?
It could make sense to come down, but that's not been the right play all morning.
I traded it, it's so buggy, bro. We took 50% of this 1 minute as well. Yeah. There's a 30-second, I might take a 30-second. We got a 30-second. I might take it here. Reinversed. I'm gonna take it. If it's an L, it's an L. I'm gonna jump off. Oh, ES didn't invest the 1 minute. Yeah, I might be cooked here, chat. Alright, yeah, I'm done.
I have no clue what you're talking about, Logan.
How many times I got to say at blank? We can't.
Okay.
That's kind of why I chose the 30-second there, but I didn't even notice. I completely ignored ES here. All-time highs, we full port shots.